Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Maysanno Akbar Fiadi from SMP 1 Babang Libura. In this occasion, I am going to make a wave plastic bottle basket which is applied 3R concept. Plastic bottles are readily available in every house. Also, it is easy to make craft with the plastic bottle, and therefore so many things can be made out of it. To make a wave plastic bottle basket, we need plastic bottle and raffia craft. The tools we need are scissors, double tip, and cutter. Do you know how to make it? Okay, there are some steps to make the basket. 1. First of all, make yarn from raffia craft, or for this craft, we can use strip of raffia craft which should be made by cutting the raffia craft into one long spiral strip. And 2. Put the bottle and cut lower half of bottle to height desired. And the 3. Then cut vertical slits around the perimeter, resulting in an odd number of strands. And 4. If you want perfection, put a piece of masking tape around the bottle and measure evenly, making marks on the masking tape to use as cutting guides. And 5. Start weaving the raffia crop over and under. Count the pattern, packing down the rows as you go. Bring any tails to the inside of the pattern. And 6. When it reaches the top, fold the ends in and drop them through the weaved yarn. It's not too delicate, so you may want to line the inside and fold the lining fabric over the edges. And the 7. Finally, a sweet basket is born. This basket will be multi-purpose one, where you can either store things